Sending the resume for review is very easy on Resume Ronin. You go to the My Saved Resumes and choose the resume that you want to send to the reviewer. From the drop-down, select the name of the reviewer that you are sending the resume to. You can put in a custom message if necessary. The reviewer will get an email of the message that you sent. Once you have sent the request to the reviewer, the request will appear in the reviewer's inbox. As you can see, the request is there, and the reviewer can start reviewing the resume, while you can see the review in your reviews inbox. As you can see, the reviewer has already provided feedback. For every experience where feedback or a comment is provided, the Resume Ronin software gives you a review comment box. Otherwise, it tells you that there were no comments provided. Click on the review comment to see the comment. You can then incorporate any changes. After making the necessary changes, click the Accept button. This keeps track of whether or not you have completed and looked at all the comments. If you haven't looked at all the comments, the Resume Ronin software gives you an error message saying there are still comments that you haven't marked as accepted. As you can see here, there are 2 review comments which haven't been marked as accepted, so you need to open them, make sure that you have taken an action on these comments, and accept them. You can choose to ignore them, but just mark them as accepted so you understand that you didn't miss anything. Finally, once you have finished incorporating any feedback, your feedback history is there for you to review, so you can always go back and see what comments were provided and what changes you previously made. Since you already incorporated the changes in your profile, you don't have to create another resume. You can download the resume and the changes will already be there. As you can see, the experience that I changed while addressing the review is already there. At this point, if you want to send the same resume to a reviewer or the same reviewer, you can do that.